I had a soil test done on my garden, but the results didn't come back until everything started to come up. Can I follow the recommendations of a late soil test now or wait until after the growing season? And this is from Mike. It is actually a good question.
It is. And the answer is yes.
Yeah.
Go on and follow it. You know, you go and put the fertilizer out. You may not be able to, as you broadcast it, you don't want to get it on the leaves of the plants if you can help it. But go ahead and put the fertilizer out now. It's still early. It's still plenty early.
Right.
And I mean, and that soil test you can follow that for 3 years.
Yeah, 3 years,
and,
right.
You know, the only time that you probably don't want to apply fertilizer is late in the year, just before frost, to a perennial.
Yeah.
You know, because you don't want a flush of new growth to occur right before a freeze.
Right.
But so, yeah, anytime. And a lot of the soil test recommendations will talk about side dressing anyway. But if you have a complete fertilizer that's recommended, you know, NP and K, I'd go on and put that out now, and you'll be okay. And then go follow it up with the side dress if that's recommended.
Right. And it'd be good to know what he tested the soil for. You know, if he was trying to grow a garden or lawn or anything like that. But he did say on my garden.
On my garden, yeah. It sounds like I'm assuming
so it might be a
it's on his
vegetable garden or something like that, maybe. I don't know. Ornamentals. I don't know.
Yeah, I'd go on and start.
But I would go ahead and follow it because it's good for 3 years.
Right.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.